Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Monday, the 10th of June, 2024. Yep. And we're about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. There are no U.S. economic data reports due out this morning, but the market is most certainly dealing with a blow to the centrists in Europe. You see the euro is down nearly 60 points on that news. Dollar up. French President Macron has called a snap election. His party is way behind, so this is a gamble. What kind of power can he retain? He's not in jeopardy, but Parliament is get a vote there. Schultz had the same type of problem in Germany. We're seeing more of it as it's spreading, and the key problem there is migration. People are fed up with all the immigrants coming in, apparently. It's not my opinion. It's what the polls are showing and what the vote is showing. Inflation, another problem that they're having. So you can see what's going on, not happy with how the government's handling things, away you go. But you have to concentrate this week on one thing, and that is going to be CPI and then the FOMC meeting, both on Wednesday. I think the CPI will have a much better impact, bigger one, than the Fed, because the Fed's widely expected to sit still. We'll take a look at what the dot plot shows. Traders will draw their own conclusions. But CPI, very important number. Stock market down this morning. Again, jobs data was a shocker to people. A lot of articles over the weekend, how the numbers are wrong. I wrote up how you have to look at the differences between household and establishment numbers. They're very different. I showed where they're at and did a whole report for clients on that. If you take a look at the notes in the 5-year and the 10-year, well, you can see what they're doing. I would expect that the market could move 15 basis points either way, whatever the market is going into the CPI number. Getting a little bit of a bounce in the grain markets this morning. Bitcoin, I thought it would pull back into the 70,000 range, and I was saying that over and over. And that's about where you're at right now. So, again, let's see where these markets are. Expect a quiet day in terms of news in the U.S. That will change quickly. President Trump has to go today and meet with a parole board, and they have to set up, because of his conviction, get everything going. So that'll be an interesting case that we get. Hunter Biden's case continues on, so we'll see where that one goes just as well. I'm Epstein. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day. Take care.